Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. It takes a few seconds. Okay, and once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. One thing to mention is that you can pair this watch in two ways with a phone, with the iPhone. First way is to do it through the setup process of the watch, so it's if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, and the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. You can just set it up and you don't need to connect it to a phone, and later on, if you want to, you can connect it. This watch has been reset to the factory default settings, so first I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Okay, I think the watch is done booting up. Yeah. And if the watch is new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use, and then you can tap on it. After you select the language, you will be asked if you want to pair your watch with a phone. We want to do that, so we can press the upper button right here to confirm, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. You can tell by the QR code on the screen. And once the watch is in the pairing mode, it will be basically detectable by other devices, so your phone will be able to detect it. Now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone we want to pair our watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection on your phone and the Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect, and then tap on search. And on the list of applications, you should see this app, Garmin Connect. Tap on the Get button to download and install it, and let's wait until it's done installing. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open to open it. In the app, you will see some pop-ups about the permissions. First one is about the Bluetooth permissions. This one is required, so allow it. And for now, that's all about the permissions. Okay, so we can, as you can see, we need to log in into an account, and we can create a new account if you don't have one, and log in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, but if you don't have an account, tap on create account, make one, and then use it to log in. Now I will need to enter the email address and password, so give me a few seconds. Okay, we can tap next. And after you log in, you will see the pop-up on the screen about the notifications permissions, and you can allow it or deny it. It's not required, but if you want the notifications to pop up on your watch, you will need to allow it. If you don't care, you can deny it. As you can see, the app detected my watch automatically because I don't have any other devices connected to my phone, to my account. But if I had any devices connected to my account rather, it would bring me to the home page, and there I will need to tap on menu and then add device, or rather Garmin devices and add device to start pairing process. I'm gonna show it to you later. Anyway, once the app detects your watch, tap on connected, tap on pair. Let me allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Let me increase the brightness a bit. Okay. Here tap on next. And right here we can copy settings from the previous devices. As you can see, we have some backups, and we can basically select the backup and then copy the settings to our new watch. I don't want to do it, so I'm gonna use the default settings, but if you want to do it, just select the settings and then tap on transfer settings. Here we have the sleeping schedule. Basically, this is useful if you want to wear your watch during sleep and, for example, measure your sleep patterns and stuff like that, and you don't want to be disturbed by the notifications. And this allows you to set up the sleeping schedule, and then the watch will automatically enter the sleep focus mode, basically, so do not disturb mode, and it will be muting all of the notifications on your watch during the sleep time. So you can tap on edit right here and set up your sleep schedule to your liking, and you can change the bedtime, wake time, and the days on which it should be working. And then we can tap next. We can select the preferred wrist, tap next, and here we can allow the calendar access. This is useful if you want to see notifications about events from your calendar and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to allow it, tap on allow, of course, and allow full access. Location permission, this is useful for stuff like local weather, tracking your location on the map when you're running, cycling and stuff like that. If you want to use it, allow it. If you don't care, skip it. And then we have the phone permissions done. We can tap on next, sync now, finish. On the watch we can set up the passcode, but for now I'm gonna skip the tutorial in the app. You can go through it if you want to, of course. We can add a Wi-Fi network to our watch. This is useful if you want to download some applications, maybe use Spotify on your watch, download updates and stuff like that. If you don't want to do it now, you can tap on setup Wi-Fi later, but if you want to add the network, tap on add network, and we'll scan for the nearby networks in the vicinity of your watch. You can select the network you like, and then you can tap on it, and here you can enter the password. And once you enter the password and tap on connect, it should connect to the network. Of course, granted that the password is correct. Let's see. Okay, it is correct. We can tap on next, finish. Here you can set up the assistance, or rather you can use the assistant to set up stuff like contacts and stuff like that. If you're in the emergency, you can add the contact to call and stuff like that. I'm just gonna dismiss it for now, but if you want to, you can tap on review assistant contacts and basically add the contacts that should be called or messaged when you're in like some when the watch detects that you're in trouble, or when you press the SOS button. Okay, and now you should see the home page. On it you can tap on more, Garmin devices, and you should see your Fenix 8 Pro on the list. Now let's go to our watch. Here we can set up a passcode. If you want to use it, press the upper button and basically set it up by entering the code you want to use to unlock your watch, and I believe you will need to enter it twice to confirm, and once you're done, your watch will be protected by the passcode. I don't want to use it, so I'm gonna press on this button to skip this, and then we have the text size, so you can adjust the text size on your watch. I'm gonna use the default one if I manage to get it. Okay, and you can also select your favorite activities. If you don't care, you can press this button to skip this. If you want to use it or do it, press the upper button. It will open this page, and here you have different categories of activities. You can open the category and select the category you like to have it on the list of favorites, like that. And then you scroll down and tap on done to finish. And at this point you should see the watch face. I don't want to reveal the incident detection for now. Okay. Okay, here we have a watch face. Our watch is right here on the list. And if you open the control menu, you should see that the phone icon is blue, which means that the device is connected to a phone. Okay, so that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it, and we're gonna do it through the settings. It's almost the same. Basically, you need to enter the pairing mode through the settings, and then the process is the same basically. And you need to enter the pairing process, so your watch will be detected by the application. Basically, that's about all. Okay, let's go to Bluetooth and remove it from here as well. Okay. And now we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. To do it, open the menu by pressing and holding the middle button, scroll down, look for watch settings, tap on it. Here find the connectivity, tap on it, and then find phone, tap on it, and then pair phone, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now open the Garmin Connect, of course, and if you're already logged in into an account in the app, you will see the home page and you can tap on More, Garmin Devices, and Add Device, like I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video. And then the app will start searching for the nearby devices. It should detect your watch. You can tap on Connect it and do the same stuff as we did before. So pair, allow on ID permission for the notifications. Next, sleeping schedule, preferred rest, location permissions, sync now, finish, tutorial, and you can add the Wi-Fi network. Finish, got it, and now the watch should be on the list of devices. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.